Support and resistance using RSI. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively named video on my channel Tradingfyive. And today in this video we are going to understand how can we use RSI and support and resistance to make out best trades in the market. That's right, we are going to use the concept of support and resistance in the RSI and find better than usual trading opportunities. So you see, RSI is an indicator that will tell you whether the market is in bullish momentum or in bearish momentum. Now here the momentum means speed, the speed of the market. That means the rate at which the market is going in uptrend or in downtrend. We can understand this by using the RSI tool. And if in case you don't know what is RSI, what are the basic concepts of RSI, there are no worries. I have made a video RSI where I have explained every basic concepts of this indicator, how you should be using it, and most importantly, how not to use it, that is the wrong way of using RSI. Make sure you watch it after completing this video. So I was saying that the RSI indicator indicates speed of the market. And we need such trades where the market is trended and it has got huge momentum. Then only we can make good amount of returns in some short span of time. So this strategy is like a golden strategy, I can say, for making money in the market. And if you don't want to miss it, make sure that you're watching this video till the end. Do not skip it. One more thing. If you find this video valuable, anything that can add value to your trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, so by not wasting much time, let's start with this video. And let us first understand a powerful combination of RSI indicator, that is CIP plus RSI. So I guess you know what is CIP. It means change in polarity. That means support becomes resistance, or when a resistance becomes support, that is when a change in polarity, a change in its functionality occurs. And we are going to use this combination with RSI. And I am going to show you some trade that I had done in the past 3 to 4 months based on this strategy, and which turned out to be really powerful. First, let us understand this concept. So you see, RSI is a momentum indicator and it oscillates between 0 and 100. That is, it cannot go below 0 and above 100. And in this RSI band, there are two important levels as the 40 level and the 60 level. These levels are highly important when it comes to RSI trading, and they usually act as support and resistance for the RSI. So it is like the price takes support on moving average or maybe Fibonacci, and then even the RSI is taking a support on 40. These combinations are really great to trade. But now we are going to understand something called as CIP. So now you see the 60 level which was acting as a resistance for the RSI. Once the RSI breaks this level, it will more likely act as support for the RSI. And this is exactly where we are going to take a trade. You see, first the 60 level was acting as resistance, and now the same level has become support. This is called as CIP in the case of RSI. Let me show you with some live examples. So as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of TVS Motor stock. And this was a trade which I had done previously. So as you can observe on the screen, the RSI gives a breakout above the 60 level and it indicates bullish momentum in the stock. And this indicates us that the market is soon going to go bullish. Similarly, you can even observe on the chart that the price gives a breakout after the RSI has broke out of 60. Now the RSI is bullish, the price gives a breakout, so it is obvious that we must buy this stock. So after breaking out of 60, when the RSI comes back to the same level, it is a highly important situation because we can make a good trade out there. So when the RSI comes back to the 60 level for the first time and takes a support over there, it indicates strong bullishness into the stock. We have to look for buying opportunities in such situation. But remember, don't directly buy when the RSI takes a support on 60. Wait for a proper confirmation on the chart. So now you see, when the RSI is taking support near the 60 level, we get a candlestick pattern which is forming on the chart, that is bullish harami. So we will buy the stock at the ending of this candle as we have multiple confirmation with trend and momentum. And we will place the stop loss below the low. So you see, this is a very low risk trade. That means the chances of going wrong for such trade is although very less. But still, if we go wrong, we will end up making a very small loss. So you see, RSI again takes support on the 60 level and we will again look for buying. It is not like every time you will get a properly formed support on RSI. Sometimes there might be an imperfect support, but that is not something highly important for this strategy. So we get a proper buying opportunity after this support, and over here below the swing low, we will place a low risk stop loss. So you see, in a journey of uptrend, you can enter a stock multiple times. In technical language, it is called as pyramiding. That is adding more quantity as the stock is moving up. Alright, so let me quickly show you one more example, which is Bajaj Auto. And here you can see the RSI was above 60. That means there is bullish momentum in the market. And when the price crosses this resistance, we can buy the stock. But again, when the RSI comes near to the 60 support, it simply means that the stock doesn't want to go bearish. Indirectly, that means that the price is going to go in an uptrend. So if you have bought the stock, you can add more quantity over here. Or if you have missed the stock, you can again take entry on RSI 60 support. And the stop loss as usually will be below the previous low. And let me tell you, the major advantage of using this strategy is that it gives you a low risk entry. That means the difference between the buying price and the stop loss is very less. And your risk to reward ratio will be great. That is, you can make 1:5, 1:7 or sometimes 1:9 trade. And that is why I say this strategy is really powerful. Alright guys, so lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video with as many traders as you know. Click on the above video to learn about RSI basics. And finally, subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.